nothing but in a context free grammar, if any of the production of form non-terminal tends to non-terminal, in any of the production of form non-terminal tends to non-terminal, we can say that that production is unit production. See, for example, you can take A tends to B, where A and B both are non-terminals here. See, when you can call a production as a unit production, if any of the production of form non-terminal tends to non-terminal, you can say that this is nothing but the unit production. See, whenever a context-free grammar is given, they are asking you to eliminate unit productions. Why we need to eliminate unit production? The main reason is that, let us suppose say in a given grammar we have a productions like A tends to B, B tends to C, where C is deriving small a. See, in this case, whenever I just wanted to derive one particular string called A, what I have to do? I need to go for A, later on I need to go for B, from B I need to derive C, from C I need to derive A. That means that for deriving a string without changing of any particular like productions, we are indirectly moving to 2 to 3 productions here. This is nothing but the indirection. To remove this indirection, we need to eliminate unit productions. We need to eliminate unit productions. See how this can be done. Let us suppose say I have a unit production of form A tends to B. See, I just wanted to replace, I just wanted to eliminate this production. See, in B production I have production like x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. So these are all the productions they have given. I just wanted to remove this unit production. What I will do? I just replace this non-terminal result RHS of this particular non-terminal over here, so that I'll get A as, what is the B's RHS production? x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. See, simply the removal of unit production is nothing but replacing the corresponding non-terminal productions into the unit production value is nothing but the removal of unit production. See, let us see one simple example for this. Let us suppose say I have a grammar S tends to small a, capital A, or small a, capital A tends to capital B, where capital B is deriving capital C, whereas capital C is deriving small a and capital S. So this is the production. They are asking us to remove unit productions from this. Remove unit productions. How this can be done? See, first of all you need to identify unit productions here. Identify unit productions here. See, in a given CFG, what are all the unit productions? A tends to B and B tends to C are the unit productions. Right here, A tends to B and B tends to C are the unit productions. Let's consider this particular unit production. If I just wanted to eliminate this particular production, I need to replace this B with the concerned B's RHS production. So that what will happen? A is deriving C. This is what will happen from these two like unit productions. See, after eliminating A tends to B also, I'm getting A tends to D, A tends to C, where it is also one unit production, right? See, what now you write what is the C's production here? C's production is nothing but C tends to AS. Now you need to replace A tends to C with C's unit production is C's RHS production rule, so that this A becomes small a and capital S. That's the reason. Hence we are eliminating A tends to B, B tends to C in such a way that A tends to C. Here we came with a production called A tends to C. Again it is a unit production, hence we are replaced with the C's value. It becomes A tends to AS. Now this production is as it is because it is a nominal production, no. So hence the result will be S stands to small a, capital A or A, and these all productions are replaced with a single rule, which is A stands to small a and capital S. So hence if you observe carefully, we have eliminated unit productions, no. So see how simple it is.